teacher Ashley. Today we are touching on Methodist Girls' School P3 end year examination. So shall we move on? Okay, let's move on to multiple choice first. Okay, first question. Which digit is in the hundreds place? Hundreds place, so this is thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. So hundreds, answer is number 2. Okay, next one. Which one is the same as 5,007 tens? If you can see, this one is actually in English and numbers. So let's make it into number. Thousands means put 3 0 on top and then put back my 5. Tens means 1 0 and put back my 7. So if you add them together, it's actually 5,070, which is number 3. Next, 3 beakers have some water inside. He's asking which one is the least amount of water and which one is the most amount of water. So let's find the measurements. The 0, 50, 100. So this one is 250. This one is, let's try 20, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay. This is 100. Oops. And this one is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so this is 160. So the least is my B and the most is my A. Answer 3. Okay, let's move on. What is 3 hours and 45 minutes in minutes? So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 3 hours is 60 times 3, which gives you 180 minutes. So 180 plus 45, you will get 225 minutes. Answer number 3. Okay, next. Kelly has two $2 notes. So 2 times $2 equals to $4. She exchanged it for all to be 20 cents. So $1 is actually 5 coins of 20 cents. So if it's $4, I will times 4. Here will times 4, which give you 20 coins. Answer number 3. Okay, let's move on. Okay, we look here, you ask yourself 6, how come to become 2? So it's 6 divided by 3. So if divide by 3, here also divide by 3, you will get 7. Okay, let's move on. Next one. Fraction a quarter plus 5/12. In order to plus, you need to do something. Change your denominator to be the same. So 12, so you can times 3 times 3. Will be 3/12 plus 5/12 is equals to 8/12. And please remember, fraction reduced to simplest form. I can divide by 2. It's 4/6. I can divide by 2 again. It will be 2/3. Answer 4. Okay, let's move on. Mandy has 264. Let's have Mandy first. 264 stickers. Nelly has twice, so make sure she's longer and she's 2 units. Twice means 2 units. So I'll find Nelly. So it's from here to here. So it'll be 264 times 2. So 528, number 3. Okay, next. What do you think the height of the door of the classroom will be? 2 cm. 2 cm is like the size of a sweet. 20 cm will be about your ruler size, the ruler length. And then 20 meter, wow, I think maybe like a bus. So 2 meter will be the best. 2 meter is actually 200 cm. Okay, let's move on. What is the mass of the watermelon? So if you see here, it's 1 kg. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So from 1 kg to 2 kg, you can see it's 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just 9. So one line is actually 100 gram. So let's move on here. 200, 2000. So 100, 200, 300, 400. So it's 2 kg and 400 gram. Will be number 3. Next, which one is greater than a right angle? So greater than right angle meaning it's a obtuse angle. So let's see. Yes, this is obtuse. Okay, and if you see here, it's actually acute angle. This is acute too. This is acute also. And this is obtuse. Okay. And this one is acute. Answer 2. It would be good that if you can use a protractor to place on it to ensure if you are not clear by using your naked eye to see. Okay, here, what is the time shown on the clock? So if you can see here, it's not even 6 o'clock. So it means it's 5. Okay, and it's going to be 6. So it's like how many minutes to 6? So we take this as a nearest. This is 50. So 51, 52, 53. So it's 53 minutes. And it's going to be 6. So now the time is 5:53. Means it's 7 minutes to be 6 soon. We have answer? Yes, number 2. Okay. Okay, next, John took 10 days to read the book with 153 pages. So he read 27 on the first day. So first day, 27 pages. Second day onwards, he read the same each day. So remaining is 9 days. So first thing you take 153 minus 27. So this is 126 for the remaining 9 days. So one day will be 126 divided by 9. 14. Okay, let's move on. How many numbers between 20 and 45 can be divided by 8 without remainder? So let's find our multiples of 8. Okay, so 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. We should stop here because it's from 20 to 45, meaning from here all the way to here. So there are 3 numbers. Okay, next. Which one shows parallel to each other? Parallel means the 2 lines will never meet. So let's scan through. It's AB and CD. No, because if you extend the line, let me show you. If you extend the line, it will meet. Okay, So A is, number 1 is out. Next, let's go for A, B, and E, F. A, B, E, F. Okay, wait a minute. Let me erase everything first. Okay, let's start again. Okay. This one, the line will never meet here. Okay, let me erase here. Because they are parallel, so if you extend the line, you will realize that the line will not meet one another if I go forward. Okay, so next one is who? CD and EF, yes, they are very close to one another, so they will definitely meet. And then JK and GH, and you see they are very close to one another. So answer is number 2. Okay, let's move on graph. Here are 4 classes in a recycling project. So they want 3A and 3C. So let's find 3A. One line stands for 10. So will be 260. And 3C will be 370. So 370 plus 260 is 630. Number 4. Okay, next one is booklet B now. Okay, here 9,000, I put a 9, 1,000 is 30 and 12. So answer 9,000 plus 12. Okay, next pattern. Ask yourself, from 3560, you plus how many to become 3680? So we can take these two numbers to minus, it's 120. Let's double check again to ensure that it's correct. Yes, it's also 120. So now 3,800 plus 120, you will get 3,920. Okay, let's move on. Find the product of 237 and 7. Product is time, so you take 237 times 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 3, 21 plus 4 is 25. So 14 plus 2 is 16. Okay, next. Jingyi say 432. And we have this word more than. So let's draw a model for Jingyi. Jingyi is 432. And she saved 86 more than Mei Ling. So meaning Mei Ling is shorter because Jingyi is more, which is 86. Out of 5, Mei Ling. Mei Ling is shorter. So shorter, please take 432 minus instead. Answer 346. Okay, let's move on. There's a cake with 92 cherries. So she wants to have one cake that is 8 cherries. So she got 92. How many cakes can she decorate? So 92 divided by 8. 1 minus 8. Remainder 4. The most that she can do is 11. Remainder 4 cherry. Okay, next. Mina had $250 in her wallet. So $250 means 2 times 50 means she got $100. And she bought some books. Eventually, she got $408.65. So we can minus to find the book. Let's do our working. Answer 51.35, $51.35. Okay, let's move on. Fraction to minus, please remember to always change your denominator. Did you get it correct? Remember to change to the nearest, which is 10. You will get 5 over 10. Simplest form, I can divide it by 5. Answer half. Let's move on. What fraction of it is shaded? Okay, so if you can see, I have triangle and squares, so I can make them to be all triangles so that they are equal. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means I total got 12 and 4 is shaded. Simplest form. Simplest again. Answer 1/3. Next, here is the health clinic opening hours. It's asking how long it's open. So let's draw a timeline from 8 to 12:15. So 1 hour, 9 a.m., 1 hour, 10 a.m., 1 hour, 11 a.m., 12 p.m. and 15 minutes. Next one is from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So same. If you can do it more hours, of course it's better. But I need to break down for students who need more help. And here is 30 minutes. So it's 4 hours plus 15 minutes plus 3 hours plus 30 minutes. So it's equals to 7 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, let's move on. To arrange fractions from greater to smallest, please remember that your denominator must be the same, or your numerator. In this case, I think I will go for my numerator because of this 12 is a bit too big. So 1, 3, and 5 is similar. 1 is 15. So I times 3 times 5 times 15. You will end up with 15 over 30, 15 over 25, 15 over 36. So when the denominator is different, the bigger the number, the smaller it is. So means this is the smallest, followed by this, and this is the greatest. Please remember to put them in their original fraction. You are not allowed to change because it will result you from losing marks. Okay, let's move on. Here is a diagram. It shows you a border with a block and the other side is 6 blocks. So it's telling you that the bottle of the mass of the bottle is 630. So it's asking you to find the mass of a wooden block. So since I have a wooden block here, I can cancel. So means my bottle, which is 630, is equal to 5 of them. So 5 blocks is 630. 1 block is 630 divided by 5. You have 122. Okay, let's move on. There are 10 trees. The distance for every 2 trees is 350. He wants to find the first and the 10. So if you can see, we are actually finding the gaps. So always take the last one minus the first 3. So means it's 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Means there are 9 gaps. One gap is 350. So 350 times 9. Quick working. 27 plus 4, 31. 3150, which is 3 kilometer, 150 meter. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, it's graph, and it shows you the number of stickers collected by 4 children. So Amy is 80. Ben is, let's find out, 20 to 40 is difference is 20, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, means one line is 4. So for Ben is 44, for Chris is 20, Dana is 60. So how many fewer Ben collected than Amy will be 80 minus 44, which give you, oopsie, 36. Okay, next one. How many stickers must Dana give to Chris so that they have the same? Dana is 60, so means you have to find her more, which is she has 40 more. So means share between Chris, share means divide by 2, will be 20. Okay, next I need to draw a perpendicular line passing through point B. Okay. So you can actually use your protractor. Okay. To make sure that it needs to point going through. Let's try again. Okay, next one, let's move on. Now move on to booklet C. Okay, Madeline, so 385 curry puffs on Friday. And we have another thing which is more. So we have to draw model, Friday. 385. She sold 137 more on Saturday than Friday. So means Saturday is longer. Okay, so to find both, I need my Saturday first. So Saturday will be 385 plus 137. Which is 522. And I take 522 plus 385. $907. Okay, let's move on. Mr. Raj bought 50 more pens and pencil. Okay, so means pens and pencil. Pens must be more, which is 50. Please remember anything got to do with more than, less than, Nastro model. Total is 438. So this is 1 unit, 1 unit. We can take 438 minus 50. And this is actually 2 units. So 1 unit is 388 divided by 2, 194. Pencil, 1 unit, 194. Okay, next one. A table costs 160 more than a chair. So table 160 more than a chair. And Mrs. Lim bought 5 chairs and 1 table. So it's a repeated item for my chair. So make sure you extend to make sure you have 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 chairs. And total is 328. So actually all this is 1 unit. So I can minus the extra. So 328 minus 160. So 168 is actually my remaining unit. So 6 units is 168. 1 unit, 168 divided by 6 is 28, which is 1 chair. Okay. Next, Joe, Kelly, and Leo have 972 stamps altogether. Kelly is twice, so anything got to do with twice, thrice, you have to draw model again. So Kelly twice means 2 units, Joe 1 unit. Leo has 3 times of Kelly, so make sure Leon is on top. Look at Kelly, Kelly is 2 units, so if it's 3 times means 3 times 2 equals to 6. Okay. Okay, Leon is 6 units, everybody is 972. So all this is actually 1 unit. If you realize altogether is 9 units, is 972. 1 unit is 972 divided by 9 is 108. Okay, I have A already, which is Joan. So B is how many more stamps did Leon have than Kelly? So this part is the more, which is 4 units. You can take 108 times 4 is 432. So 108, 432. Okay, next. Time question. Mr. Kumar started painting his house at 8:15. He took 2 hours 40 minutes to paint living room and 1 hour 50 minutes to paint the bedroom. So he's asking how long to paint both rooms. So 2 hours 40 minutes plus 1 hour 50 minutes. Hour and hour is 3 hours. 40 plus 50 is 90 minutes. But we cannot have 90 minutes, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we take 90 minus 60, 30 minutes. And this is 1 hour. So means it's 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, let's put down first. Okay, next one is asking what time did he finish painting the both room. So let's draw a timeline. It started at 8:15. So 4 hours, 1 hour, 9:15, 1 hour, 10:15, 1 hour, 11:15, and 12:15 p.m. 30 minutes, 12:45 p.m. Oopsie. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 8 buses are needed to take a group of tourists to the zoo, and each bus you have 44 seats. The first 7 buses are full. Okay, so one bus is 44 seats. They have first 7 buses. We can take 7 times 44. Which is 308. I still have 8 buses, right? I need 8 buses, so I already have 7. It mentioned that the last bus has 4 empty seats. So one bus is 44. 44 minus 4, 46. 46 is taken. So how many tourists? We will take 308 minus plus 40, sorry, equals to 348. Okay. Is this the last question? Yes, it's the last question. Thank you so much for staying with me to go through the Methodist Girls' School annual exam paper. I hope my solution helps you in solving the question. Thank you.